You know, my hat's not as nice as, there we go. I did a video the other day and had a tag sticking out and I was like, I don't care. Whatever, I don't care. Anyways, so today we're looking at this. You guys may be able to see it here. Jeecoo. I actually have a pair of their wireless headphones for the PlayStation 5. And that's the headphones that I use. They work great. They're easy to set up. They look good. They sound fine. I don't know what else I need. I use them upstairs all the time. So when they asked if I wanted to try out these speakers, I was like, okay, first off, I just bought speakers. So of course someone wants to send me speakers after I just bought a pair. But I was like, I'm kind of curious what makes them different. So when you look at their Amazon listing, it looks like a soundbar. Yes? So when I got the box, I was like, I think they sent me the wrong speakers. But then I realized that these, you can kind of just mount them, however, so they can kind of be soundbar-ish. They can be tower-ish. They can be side-to-side-ish. It looks like they can be all kinds of stuff. And check out this price. 24 bucks. $24 right now. It's 40% off. So normally $40, even at $40. And this is on Amazon.com, so US. Currently, 1,075 reviews, giving them 4.5 stars. Do you want much more? Well, you might. I don't know. Maybe you do. But if you're on a budget and you got like 30 bucks, this may be good. So we're gonna crack open the box. We're gonna connect them to my laptop, and we'll see what they're like. Okay, so I still $24. So anyways, it kind of shows here, right? They have them in this tower mode, and they have them in this sound bar mode, right? See, there's like that sound bar. That's cool. And then up here, they have them in the non-sound bar. Crisp stereo sound, gradient RGB lighting, Bluetooth and wired. I like that because then you could just use it for like your phone. And it has a little video. Now I'm going to turn the volume down just so I can see the video here because I'm curious. I am curious. Combined, separate, yeah, I get it. And if they're decent, they just need to be decent, especially if you have a laptop, because a lot of laptops, the speakers are meh, right? I say meh. Oh, so they just kind of latch into each other. You guys see that? There's a little latch. And then it's like soundbar, right? One button for everything, on, off, RGB colors, Bluetooth, volume. I'm with you. Cool. All right. It seems double click to switch Bluetooth. Okay, these are things that I'll probably be like, I can't remember how to do this. So anyways, if you're down here looking at the Amazon listing, which I'll put down below, and you're like, hey, I don't remember how to set this up because I'm like Greg, who doesn't like to read instructions, then at least you have this video. Oh, shh. You know what I'm saying? Okay, anyways, we're going to keep this over here for now. Just going to keep that over here. I'm going to hide that because we don't necessarily care. This is the box. Jeecoo, right? M20 RGB, customize your own desk space. You got some more stuff on the top there. Sweet deal. And then on the back, oh, it has your instructions right there on the back. So that's it. Multi-function button. Long press for 3 seconds to turn it on or off. Double click to switch to wireless USB. Oh, it's USB mode. So it's USB connect. Okay. One click changes the RGB lighting mode, and just normal is normal, just volume. That's cool. You know, who wants to have to fiddle around with all these buttons and you're like, I don't know what any of these do. Okay, so out come the speakers. Out come the speakers. We'll just kind of lay those on the table somewhere so you guys can ooh and ah over them. I'm going the wrong way right there. You do get 23 bucks. What was that? 24 bucks. You can get a scan for extended warranty if that's something that you're like, I want an extended warranty. Then you can scan this 18-month warranty. And then this is your user manual. Again, everything is like in the box. I can't see you needing too much, but there it is. If you're like, I'll bring it up close. I'll just go like, there you go. I'll move. Then you can just kind of read it. If you're like, pause it and read those screens. If you're like, I lost my manual. There you go. right? QR code and everything for online support. Sweet deal. All right, so here they be. So yeah, it's not 3.5. It's not a 3.5 millimeter or 1/8 inch. It's USB, so they can plug in via USB. Okay. Where could I put? Well, you know what? I could put them here. I could put them here. You know. Anyways, no 3.5 millimeter jack. And for those of us on a Mac, which is me, also means I'm gonna have to use some kind of adapter because I'm gonna. Okay, so we could just Bluetooth this. Yeah? Maybe we'll just Bluetooth it. I'm curious though. Let's just see what happens if I plug them straight in. If I plug them straight in, I'm gonna bring my computer over here so you guys just can see me. I'm plugging these in. Yes? Okay. Oh, USB mode. USB mode. You guys see that? They just, right? They turned colors already. You guys got the screen up in front of me. I'm sorry, you guys. You don't need to see that. I'll turn them maybe this way, facing you. USB mode, and there it is. See, there's the multi-function button up there. So on my Mac, I'm guessing I would have to go into input, right, for sound. I don't have the recording in anymore. I'm not recording. I should have recorded. But yeah, so if maybe I'll record here for a second. Screen recording. Let's just do that for a minute. So if you come in here, you'll actually see input, output, right? So output, there they are. Jeecoo M20s USB. Yes, yes. Seems simple. Yeah. Okay, and then if we get some music here, okay, and I'm gonna go into my playlist, which is non-copyrighted stuff, copyright free. Now this is never overly exciting music, but you guys will get the idea, right? This is up at full. Not that bad. Again, you know, the biggest thing that you have to realize is that $24, right? Okay, let's see when it kind of kicks in here. I don't have them facing me, ready? Yeah, they're not bass heavy by any means, but $24. Okay, let's try this one. So it's not like something like this, which is not like raspy or like grungy or anything like that. They sound alright. Oh, that's as loud as it's going, I guess. Okay, let's see. Yeah. I've got nothing. Alright, no, that's not bad. Again, I don't know how to turn it down. Going the wrong way. Alright, that's somewhat surprising actually for that part. And then, so if I double click this, right? What does it say? Double click? One click? One click. Yeah, see, one clicks change the color, right? You see the color changing? Depending, and then off. So depending on what you want. I like the blue, kind of goes with my ensemble. Yeah, right, there's not a ton of colors, but you know what? There's enough. I want the blue, I'm good. And then let's close this for a second. We'll un-USB it, okay? Maybe I have to, do I have to? I guess you have to plug it in though, because that's how it gets its power, right? So we'll plug in I'll do it this way. We'll plug in just straight to power. Hold on a second. All right, straight to power so that these they need power, right? USB mode. It keeps saying USB mode, but I think that's just its default. And then they don't keep the color choice. This color choice just kind of fades. Oh, that's not bad either. But if I like the blue, and the blue kind of pulses, right? I wonder if maybe it pulses and then you click on the color that you want. I'm watching my screen right here, so let's say I get to that blue that I love. Where's there, I tap it. Will it stay there? Yeah, then it stays there. Oh, okay. So I think I get what it's doing. Anyways, if I come to my computer now and go to Bluetooth and say Bluetooth settings, right? And then I go 1, 2.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. And then I should have there they are. Jeecoo M20. Perfect. Connect.
Device paired.
That's super simple, right? That's super simple. It didn't have to do anything. It's nice and easy. That's a win all to itself. And sound quality, you know, it's probably not going to be as good just for the fact that it's going through Bluetooth. But let's try this song again. Yeah, that's good. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. For $24, right? And then the be-all end-all is that you can take these. So you can take these after, and you may be able to see the bottom. One's got like a notch, and the other one has it's risen, right? So then you can go boom, right? And you've got yourself a little sound bar that I can just put over wherever. I may keep that down here actually for testing stuff that's Bluetooth for sound. Yeah, I like that. You know, and you got your volume off the side. Oh yeah, when it's facing you, because I've had it facing you guys for most of it, and you'll actually see on my computer as the volume goes up and down here. All right, I'm down. That's all right. That's okay. I like the light up things. I got them in my funky blue. You guys can see the blue right there. Yeah. Where am I? Somewhere here. There it is. Blue. Just increase your gaming awesomeness. I'm telling you. Oops, I fast forwarded. Anyways, are they the best sounding speakers in the world? No. Are they going to be better than like your laptop speakers, or if you have a computer with no speakers? Yeah, 100%. They're going to give you something. They're not horrible, you know. And at that price point, I actually didn't even expect them to sound as good as they sounded. So I'm going to take that as a win. So if you're on a budget and you want something that's got a little bit of flexibility for your setup, or maybe one day you like soundbar, maybe one day you don't. You want some RGB-ness going on, some RGB goodness going on in your room, your area, your den, your space. And you only have like $25. Maybe? Yeah, maybe. Why not? Give it a try. All right, guys. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, that's okay. Some slowness. Ready?